So welcome guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part 2 of the Rubik's Cube, how to solve the second layer. Okay, so let's start. You're seeing the cube. Okay, this is a game, this is an app where I'm show you the whole thing how to do. At first we have to make the first layer, so I'm just pausing the video. Okay, or if you don't know that, just see how I do this. Just match it here, put it here. Also you can see I am doing this on another center, not in white center. Okay, just try to do that thing also, so you get improved on it. Okay, you made a mistake here. It will go just right there. Okay, it's just backed up here. Now I am solving the corners. Okay, let's see how am I solving this. It will go this side. Just put it here, put back this here, undo the move, and now you are seeing it's in wrong place, so just put it back outside and then put on this side. Just match the colors like that and just put it back. Only one corner is here, so just I will put it back there and just it's complete. Now we will have a algorithm right facing right there. Okay, and whichever you want to make right here you can make. Okay, just make sure this piece should go there. Okay, just like don't see on blue colors. Okay, because blue colors will be go upside there, not here. Okay, not here, it will go upside there. Okay, so make sure to remember it. We have find a piece which is not blue. Okay, so it will just go there, match the white, and then just put it back down there, and now perform the algorithm. Okay, this is you just do a U prime there, and just L prime, then a U, then L, then F prime, then do the L and do the F, and then L prime. Got it? It just solved. Okay, now this is just flipped, so we have to put it back there, same, but it's right side now. Okay, U R U prime R prime F U prime F prime R. Okay, now it's back down here, so we have to just solve this. Okay, right there. Okay, right there. Now just perform the move, which is the same. U R U prime R prime F R prime F prime and R. This is very easy move. So long, and now you have just you are seeing that these pieces are in the opposite direction. So this formula, you can see this algorithm is just like when you are performing on right side, it will be right, okay, just like this, okay, because when you perform on this piece, it will be left side algorithm, okay. When you perform the piece like this, and it should go with the right side algorithm, okay, right hand algorithm. First you have to perform the right hand algorithm like that, and then just undo the piece right over top here, and now you will perform. Okay guys, now you will be performing the right hand side move, okay, because this should go here just like this. You can memorize it by your finger trick, okay, or it should be memorized by your muscles, just like muscle memories. I think you have heard about the muscle memory, just like you understood how to balance the cycle, just like that, same to same, okay, same to same thing. Okay, now it's complete. The second layer is complete. Now you have to complete this thing, but you will get three situations. When okay guys, you will get four situations on the top. First is a dot, only a dot, okay. Then you will get a mirror side L, okay, just like opposite L, okay. Then you will get a line here, line, it's three line here, three dots line here, or luckily you can get the cross ready-made, okay. Now I will show the all shapes you will get upside there, just performing by this move, okay. You are seeing the line, you will get this thing also, or you can get a cross also. In lucky cases you will get a cross, in unlucky cases you will get the dot only, okay. It's like that. We are not getting the dot, we are getting only the L. I think we will get the dot if we perform this line. No, we will not get anyways. Okay, now we have to perform a small move, okay. The move you will get here, algorithm will get you will here right there, okay. And you have to perform the move just like this, okay. You will have this L right there, okay. And then perform the move. This is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you will get the line. Then again repeat the algorithm, F, R, U, R prime, U prime. Then you will get the cross, okay. When you will get the cross, the same situation appear here, okay. You will get a line here just like this one, okay. These are opposite side, they are not correct in the place, okay. So just don't see that and face the line right like that, okay. just like that, this line. Then perform the move like this. You will get the algorithm right here. Just perform the move, which is R U R prime U R U to R prime. Now you will get a L shape. Okay, just like this L. Okay, this is a L, and you will have to face this in a right position of L, just like that, and just perform the same move, R U R prime U R U to R prime. Then you will get the correct facing cross. Okay, see, you build a cross just like the first layer. Now you have to find the right corner placed. We are not getting any right corner here situated in a right place, so you have to perform a new algorithm just like this. You will get this here. The algorithm shown is here. Just do this move, very easy move it is. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Okay, see, now you have to find any right situated corner piece. This is in the right place. Okay, this one. Now just facing like this, you have to start this one. U R prime R U R R U prime, then L prime, then U R prime U prime, then L. See, we are not getting anything right there. It's not situated in right place. As you can see, nothing is situated in right place, so just do again and again, then you will get the right place corner. Okay, U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Now all the corner are in the right place. This one, this one, this one, and this one. In this situation, you just find the right side of the corner which is not solved. Okay, you have to solve this one first. Okay, so just face like that. Okay, like this headlight, you just face this headlight. Okay, now just perform the move. It's very easy. Okay, it will shown right there. Okay, so just perform the move. Prime, right? R prime, firstly you have to move the cube right this. Okay, then do the move. Okay, just move the cube like that and do the move. Okay, U R prime, sorry U prime R prime, then U, and then R. U prime R prime U R, U prime R prime U R, U prime R prime U R. And as you can see, it's matched. Then move the piece with this one and just perform on this place where you are performing the move. Again perform the move. U prime R prime U R, u prime, r prime, u, r, and the q is solved. Okay, but only in few cases you will get mm, sorry, one second. Only a few cases you will get only in few cases you will get like this. Okay, just you will get that this one uh, that this one is matched. Okay, this piece is matched and this is the wrong piece, but you will get the piece, this piece right here. Okay, this one right here, and this one right here, and this one this one right here. Okay, and you have to just do the move like that, and as we can see this is solved already. You just have to move like that. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I will show you the move. One second. You have to just move this thing. Yeah. Oh no, it's not having this one. Okay, no problem. We'll scramble it. Scramble it more and more. Okay guys, you will have like situations like this. Okay, in the last layer, just like this, it will already made, but it's just situated in right place. It is situated on right, not right place, sorry. I think those are situated in wrong place. Now it is situated on the right place. Okay, all things are situated in right place but not permuted right. Okay, you just have to solve this just like that. Okay, we'll put right there, just do this thing, r u r prime u prime, it will solve. Okay, then just do the next move, slide it and do the move. Okay, the next. Okay, just do this move and it will. Okay, okay, the last layer is complete. Don't see this, okay, because I am not expert on making the situation with top right there, so just I was making an example how to solve the last layer if you get that situation. Okay, and the last situation is just like that. Okay, you will get just like that situation. You will get the situation like that. Okay, solved right there. and solve just right there. Just do a solve anywhere. Okay, you can start with this or this. Okay, just but you have to do that thing. Okay, this thing. Yes, you have to do this thing. Start the performing algorithm, and then just move the piece right there and just perform the algorithm like this, and it will. Okay. Now we get through the all situations. Now just practice, because practice make perfect. Thank you.